Looking for a face swap tool for video calling with realistic result, and don't need that much big graphic card? Here it is, Roop Cam Modified 3.0B. You only need around 4 to 6 gigabits graphic card for getting good FPS. This version got cam selection option to make it easier for you to choose which cam you want to use. In real time you can switch cams. Mostly result is inverted, you can fix it with mirror cam option. Lips movement is big issue, there is mouth mask option to make lips movement smooth. Enhancers are big issue which slow down FPS, there is a slider at bottom you can enhance result quality without turning on enhancer, which will let you use voice changer along with 3.0B. I made Seed VC Realtime V2 which run amazing with this face swap tool without losing FPS. Both can run smoothly together. Seed VC will have consistent li per second and Roop 3.0B will have consistent FPS. And the best part, this is a completely portable version, so there's no complicated installation process. Just extract the files, launch the application, and you're ready to go. In this video, I'll show you how to set everything up, explain the important settings for the best quality and performance, and demonstrate how to use it together with Seed VC Realtime V2 for realistic face swapping and real-time voice changing without sacrificing FPS. So let's stop wasting time and get started. You can get Roop 3.0B from Portable, link in my description. You can also check out all other tools in Portable forum. Once you get it, you will have a link to download main zip file. Zip file will be around 4 gigabits. Only use 7-zip extractor for unzipping. Inside extracted folder there is Start Portable NVIDIA file, double-click on it. This will launch Roop Cam 3.0B in seconds, no installation needed. To use it, upload face picture, make sure whole face is clear in picture. Choose cam from list of cams you want to use and click live. That's it, you can use it for calling. With slider at bottom, adjust result quality. To use it for calling, run OBS Studio. In OBS Studio, choose source as Windows Capture. Choose Cam Preview. Adjust picture. To call, for example, on Instagram, choose OBS Virtual Cam as your cam. If you are using Seed VC, to choose VB Output as your microphone. On OBS Studio, click Run Virtual Cam. This will start displaying result on video call. That's everything you need to get Roop Cam Modified 3.0B portable up and running. Now you're ready to enjoy realistic real-time face swapping for video calls, even on a 4 to 6 gigabytes GPU. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, portable software, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.